What's up guys, this is Anthony from Aiken's Outdoor Adventure, and I just got home from the gym, and when I went out to look at the garden, I found this guy. Don't know why it's curled, but it's ready to put on the grill and show you how we prepare these, so let's get right into it. I've been watching these things grow for like months now, and finally I have one ready. So I think I picked the flour a little bit too early, but we're gonna go ahead and grill it anyways and see how it turns out. Got the grill all fired up. Now it's time to put our sunflower on the grill and cook it. We've already cooked it, but now we're gonna let it sit on the top rack and kind of smoke a little bit to get a little extra flavor. All right, so I had the sunflower on the grill for not very long, a couple minutes. This is about what it looked like. How I knew it was done was the seeds were just falling out of it. We're gonna give it a try. I don't know. Oh, here comes Mama. They just pop off. It's really similar to corn, except for they just fall off. You can take a bite, Kimber?
Kind of tastes like corn.
Does it taste like good?
Take a bite right there.
It's so good, Mommy.
Is it good or bad?
Bad.
Bad? Overall, this was a great idea. We got several more. The one right behind me over here is just about ready also, but overall, delicious. I will definitely do this again. Mama is gonna have some good luck if she thinks she's gonna have to roast some of these, because I think I might just eat them as is. Thanks for watching this video on my sunflower. I've been dying to try one of these out. If you like this video and you like the other videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you can follow us on all of our adventures. So I'll see you next time.